Hey guys, so I got this 01 Ram 1500. It's a 5.9 liter automatic. Customer brought it in a couple of weeks back, and their complaint was that intermittently, and every once in a blue moon rather, they would make a right-hand turn and the truck would fall on its face like it was running out of fuel. And the kid said, "I've run it out of fuel in the past. That's exactly what it feels like." Okay. So I actually had the truck for over a week. I drove it with a fuel pressure gauge on it and nothing. I had nothing. So I told them, after I scanned it, it had lean codes. So I told them that, I can't verify the problem. So they wanted to know how much is it for a fuel pump and how much is it for a tune-up. And I said, gave them a price, and I said, this is what it is. I said, but I can't guarantee it's going to fix it. I don't know what the problem is. They're like, well, just do it anyway. Okay, so I did it. Drove the truck, never had the issue. So it left. Guess what? Came back. Now it's doing it consistently. So now I actually know what not that I know what the problem is, but I know what the issue is. It's losing fuel pressure. Why? I have no idea. It's got a brand new pump in it. So let me just show you. All right, so here's the gauge. I got it sitting up on the dash, on the windshield here. So now I'm going to start to accelerate up the street. See that? I don't actually know what spec is. I'm really not concerned about spec, but I know that that's too low. And you can hear this thing is just starving for fuel. And it won't go anywhere. But if you ease up on the throttle, you can drive it. But as soon as you try to go anywhere, forget about it. It don't want to go. So now my next step is, I got a funny feeling it's not the pump. I think it's an electrical issue. I don't think we either have 12 volts getting to the pump, or we don't have a good ground at the pump. And him making a right-hand turn was just coincidence. But we're going to find out. That's going to be the next video. So for now, I'm just going to go back to the shop, put this thing inside for tonight because day's over. But at least I have something to go on. At least I know now it's actually losing fuel pressure. Why? That's another question. I'm pretty confident it's not the pump, but what actually is it? So now I'm going to have to load test the wiring and just check. I'd be willing to bet it's probably a bad ground or just a faulty connection at the pump itself. So anyway, that's it for now. Everybody keep wrenching. Thanks.